Let me guess. You're most likely a passionate, capable, driven person that sees a better life for yourself and your family. You desperately want to get ahead in life, but all the so-called money-making systems you tried up until now haven't worked for you. You most likely brought several of those so-called money-making systems that promise to make you instant income, and they've let you down. Am I right? Of course I'm right. The reason I know I'm right because you're here on my website. It's a simple deduction. If you had found something that was actually working for you, making you great money, then you wouldn't still be looking for ways to make money online. And you wouldn't be here at my website, 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗦𝗧.com. And it's a pretty lucky day that you're here too, because I'm going to get you off that bogus treadmill you've been on and put you on the road path to success. See, I'm here to tell you that you can make great amounts of money online, even if you're a total newbie and have no idea what to do or where to start. See, I'm living proof. Let me just give you a tiny peek inside of my personal income reports. Check this out. Okay, I'm not showing you my personal PayPal reports that brag will tell you that you're going to make this kind of money. The fact is, most likely you will make nothing at all for a long time. Well, at least until you get your full education. You may even do better than me. I can't say though. I don't know you personally yet. But if you think for some reason you can't make money online, remember this. I'm just a dumb contractor. Yeah, I used to be just another dumb contractor with a job. But more on that a bit later. See, I never thought I'd be making this kind of money either. But just look at those PayPal paydays. Now you know what's possible. I showed you as plain as day, but I also need to give you a dose of reality here. See, there are a couple hard truths that I'm going to lay down on you, and this is something that other gurus will not tell you. In fact, they don't even want you to think about it, but here they are. Number one, you won't be successful overnight. And number two, there's no such thing as an instant magic click that you can just press and make money. You're not going to make money online with some magic button system they're trying to sell you. That is jacking you up into investing into that magic button system, and you won't make great money online by buying every single shiny object that comes along and hoping this time things are going to work out for you. It's just not going to happen. Making real money on demand takes real work, and if you're willing to do the right work in the right way, the way I'll teach you, you can virtually guarantee your own success. Look, you know what you're capable of, you know what you want, and you know why you want it. There's no reason you can't be at least as successful as I am, right? You have to be ready to make a big change in your life, and you're going to have to take action. Your thinking is going to have to change, and I'll help you with that. When you treat your online money-making goals seriously and dedicate yourself to get the right training and education you need, your life is going to dramatically change for the better. You're going to have to get moving. You're going to have to take action, and I can help you with that too. See, I actually give a damn and care about my students. I want you to succeed, and here's why. Check this.
Dave is not messing around. He's going to tell you what you need to know step by step by step, and it is up to you to take action, and there's no excuses. So just leave him at the door.
Dave is another like brainiac, super powerful genius that just goes out and does stuff and gets you motivated to get out and do stuff.
Every time I make a video or anything, I'm like, thank you, Dave. Like, thank you for creating this. You changed my life, and all of the people that are here, you changed their lives. From my heart, that is dope.
But to spend that personal one-on-one time with David is just, it just brings me to a point of tears, which I'm holding back, but which I truly do feel. And this is for real.
Been able to find joy, which I don't think I had for a long time.
There's something about watching David.
I'm deeply indebted to you. I think you're amazing. I love how noble you are. No matter what you do, because you're so noble, it's everything you do is beautiful.
I've got this trust in myself that I've never had before. I did have some trust before, but really developing that now where heck, I could just go. Like, it's thanks to you, man. And I know that's going to make a huge difference.
Just felt like this is it. I want to be my own boss. I'm tired of working a 9 to 5. I'm tired of checking in, going to the boss to boss. I said, this is it.
I so appreciate you allowing me to expand my horizons, keep my brain moving in all kinds of directions. It's just been awesome.
My first month, I made around $25,000, and I've been in the industry for a while now, but I've never been able to generate this kind of income in such a short amount of time. Thank you for all you've done, Dave.
Dave, I love you, dude. I mean, you're amazing.
It doesn't matter if it's this, it doesn't matter if it's something else. Like, you're the type of person that I always want to have in my life.
I'm confident that you will be happy and successful if you're ready for that. I'm so grateful for the opportunity.
And if you like it, you keep on going. If you don't, then you stop. But if you want to create a new lifestyle, create a new future, you got to change something. Otherwise, you're going to be stuck with what you got now forever.
Too. So much that's out there. They're telling, do this, do that, educate this, educate that. And
based on my previous training experience, it's always about having a solid foundation. Now I'm actually glad I got in this because I had no idea how powerful it is. Get your foundational education here. It's really changed me. It's changed a lot of other people.
This is just a small sample of the 100% real unsolicited comments I get on a daily basis. I really love it. It's so great to see comments and emails like this. So I made it our personal goal for you to be able to send me emails like this telling me about your success and with regards to your success. Let me reveal something to you. The 4 must-have essential components to be able to make money on demand. You're going to need the right education, you're going to need the right tools, you're going to need the right materials, and you're going to need the right mentor. If you really want to have an online successful business, you got to have the right education. The right education is going to be that foundation that you build your business on. Then you're going to need to have the right professional tools and the right materials to build your business. But having that isn't enough. You're going to need the help of a coach, a guide, a real mentor. Having the right mentor is the fastest, most direct path to giving yourself the keys to financial freedom. Miss any of those key secrets, and your chances of success drops to nearly 0. And that's what I'm here to avoid. I want to help you do that. I'm here for your online success because this is what I do. My name is David Hickman. It wasn't always that great for me with this online stuff. I had to work hard at it. I used to be a lowly, overworked, underpaid contractor. I mean, it still gives me the creeps. Just thinking back to those days, digging ditches was hard, dirty, backbreaking work. And just to be able to make ends meet, I work more hours than anybody ever should. And I work more days at it too. I work 7 days a week. I had no life, no energy, not enough money, and I hated my job. Can you relate to any of this? I personally knew there had to be a better way to make a living. Somewhere out there had to be an answer. So I began my personal quest to find it. And you know, this is exactly where you are right now. You're on your quest to find your answer. And now you have. You know, there's huge money to be made online. And now you found me, David Hickman. I'm going to show you how to do it too. You're about to get the online business training you've always been looking for. And it really fit with you and what you want to accomplish online. If you ever want to make money from your computer, you're in the right place. Right here, right now. And I'll show you how to make money online doing simple, easy work. Working only a few hours a month. And you can do it from anywhere in the world just with a laptop and internet connection. My personal dream was to be able to build a successful online business myself that made me great money. And I want to be able to run it from anywhere in the world. From the beaches of Hawaii, Tahiti, even the coastal side of 𝗬𝗢𝗢𝗦𝗧. And guess what? I made it all happen. I'm here to tell you, you can start running circles from system to system. You're making things harder and more expensive than they have to be. Look, I've been there before. I know what it's like when I first got started. I went from one program to the next, spending $1,000 on things that never made me any money. It just cost me my time, my money, and it cost me a lot. You're not going to have to go through that. I wouldn't do that to you. For me, it took a lot of expensive and time-consuming trying and failing over and over again until I realized what was missing and what I needed to really make it work. Finally, I needed them just like you, a real step-by-step, solid and concrete education. That's some get-rich-quick overnight success. It being higher than sky junk. That's a magic button, a one-click-fast system for some egomaniac, self-centered, self-proclaimed guru, but ongoing, real-world education specific to what it was I was actually trying to do. This was my missing link. This is what I needed, and this is what you need. So why would you want to take my advice and get shaky? Well, long story short, I'm on my way to making $1 million in my online business. I make amazing money each and every month, and I don't even have to work hard at it. In fact, I make sure to take a vacation every month. Look, I now have the money to do pretty much anything I want to do. I enjoy the constant feeling of being secure and free from financial worries. And let me tell you, that's the best feeling in the world. And I tend to share that reality with you starting right now. Look, if I can get myself from a frustrated, overworked contractor to where I'm at right now, I can help you get to where you want to be. If you're willing to take action, if you're willing to follow the steps that work, and if you start doing things differently than you have in the past, I can get you where you want to be. You and I already know doing the same things, the same ways haven't worked yet. And they're not getting you anywhere. It takes change. Heading in the right direction takes the right education, the right tools, the right materials, and the right mentor. Your prosperity is right around the corner if you only grab it. This is the Limitless Affiliate Profit Elite Education website, unlocking the full power of this website and gain the skills necessary for your online entrepreneurial education. Get everything you need to finally start making money online directly from me, David Hickman, your new success mentor. Get the education, the tools, the materials, and direct access to me. When you become a full Limitless Affiliate Profits Elite member right now, you get unrestricted access to the unlocked members area. There are literally hundreds of hours hours of top shelf online video training from me and some of the biggest, most financially successful business owners online. This expansive full library of the right education teaches you the exact same methods and techniques we personally use, and it's all down in easy step-by-step workable detail, so you can use it to succeed quickly. This portion of your membership is easily valued at over $497. When you take action here today, you also get the newest courses, training, and video tutorials each and every single month for as long as you're a member. But that's not all. Your exclusive membership also includes full access to our members. This is the Money Making Community Forums full of success. Attracts people like yourself, sharing and discussing the newest methods, ideas, and techniques for making money online. This additional component of your monthly membership can be worth its weight in gold. So become an official Limitless Affiliate Profits Elite member now, because when you do, you're also going to get access to complete done-for-you businesses in a box, which include products that you can sell as your own. In minutes, you can be up and running in almost no time. You'll get 4 turnkey businesses and products to sell as your own. Books come complete with professional design and written websites, including the sales and marketing materials that will convert your business to money in the bank. This part of the membership is easy worth another $560. All the members-only material in Limitless Affiliate Profit Arsenal is fully accessible and downloadable, so you can keep it and benefit from it forever. Your new Limitless Affiliate Profits Elite membership gives you everything you need to start making money online as quickly as humanly possible. And let's not forget, you get direct access to me, not my assistant, not my outsourced help desk, but me. You get to talk to me directly and I'll help you personally. My time is worth over $1,000 an hour, so if you have unlimited access to me, that's worth more than $3,000 to you. Everything that is offered, you have a true street value of almost $4,000 in real money. The training, the done-for-you businesses in the box, the forum, and of course, access to me. But I'm not going to charge you $4,000. You can become a monthly full access member of Limitless Affiliate Profits Elite with all the step-by-step success, mentor training, the courses, the tutorials, the videos, the community, our money-making forums, they're completely done for you, businesses in a box product, the websites, and you get it all for a small monthly investment. But look, you have to take action now, because as a new member, you get direct access to me, and that locks you in for this special offer. Click the button below and invest in your future with a small monthly investment. So now you have a decision to make. You can wait around and miss out on everything, or you can take action. That was an easy decision to make. And remember this too, get protected when you become an exclusive member, because your Limitless Affiliate Profits Elite access is backed by 100% 30-day money-back guarantee. I'm so confident that you'll love your elite membership, but there's absolutely no risk. If you aren't fully satisfied for any reason, give me a quick shout out and I'll send you a full refund and cancel your membership. So what are you waiting for? Click the button, join now, take action, alright? Mad respect, my friends. All the best in life. Ciao.